See, look, we're almost there.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. We're on a nature walk and we're headed home. And I look to my left. My partner's moving in. There's some deer ahead. We're not going in that direction now. We'll come back to them later. See you later, dear. All right, you may not believe me, but I promise you, there's some deer over there. We just saw them, but I accidentally scared them away with my overwhelming masculinity. They fear me. They fear me, so they will obey me. Here we have the wild Samuel. As you can see, the only thing exposed are the backs of his legs. Every other part of him has been covered. He thinks I can't see him. Quite the foolish beast. Oh, he's grabbing more, pretending like I can't even see him. Hello, little Samuel. You okay there, buddy?
Melissa, go help her.
No, this is too entertaining. I don't want to end this.
Again!
You almost had him, Bert.